So today what I'm going to try to do is hunt down and make sure that the cam is okay, because after watching a couple of videos I noticed that a lot of guys were really concerned that if they did have a valve adjustment problem, that it could be as a result of one of the cam getting wiped out by the lifters, or the cam not being broken properly. So as a result, I'm just going to use this endoscope to check things out as the cam is engaging the lifter to see that it's moving properly. Up. I don't even see it. Let it remain consistent. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little video and see where we wind up. I'll also be looking for top dead center, and then we can start tightening it down appropriately. Okay, now that we have our valve adjusted, I'm going to go ahead and start the engine and listen for any tapping. Fingers crossed. Very nice.